Report live, HFC 37. Right now, I got featherweight professional Chepe Machine Gun Mariscal. Big win for you. Talk about this performance. You came in here, you dominated the guy, and of course, you got that triangle choke. Talk about that finish. Walk us through it.
It was good. I went in there ready to apply anything wherever it was going to be stand up round. I was just ready. I was just prepared, to answer to anything. It was answer to my strengths, and I just felt comfortable. And once I see the submission, I went for it.
Definitely. Talk about everything that you've done to prepare for these fights, man. You've got Team Elevation behind you, Josh Wick is here, Tony Hernandez is here. These guys are huge, man. You're going to be big stars so long as yourself.
Yeah.
UFC's the goal, of course, but talk about this daily preparation every night. Just keep you motivated.
Good. Elevation fight team, they always got us prepared mentally, physically, and spiritually there. They're always there for us, the coaches. They give us all the greatest, I say the greatest training in the United States right now. I haven't witnessed anything better than them, but it's great. They did whatever they can, to get me ready. Yeah.
Talk about you also trained Jackson Wayne for a little bit.
Yeah, the month before that, yeah. I trained out there. I learned a lot of things from them also. It's like different different breeds, different kind of fighters, and that's what I experienced. More talent, more technique, more hungrier guys, and it's just, it was good coming off that fight camp. I went there for a month and then straight to Elevation fight team, so it was good. I felt very good as well.
And so talk about you guys who trained with Jackson Wayne. We'll help you get ready for that one.
Out there at Jackson Wayne, I sparred a bunch of guys, man. There's a lot of guys. Like thougts was one of them, Diego Sanchez, Michelle Watersfield, some of my buddies, and Josh, Lewis, there's a bunch of guys.
I'm sure you're going to get out there again in the future, right?
For sure, yeah, of course. I'm going to be, of course, moving around right now. My home team is Elevation. So right now, I love how they have everything going, so I'm going to be there for a while.
You locked in this triangle today with a little bit of Eagle Man, because you didn't have the hands-free thing. You let your hands go and you had it locked in.
Well, I try to readjust my hips to see if he was going to pull away. If he pulled, and that's exactly what he did. He pulled away, and that's when I threw that elbow. And once I threw that elbow, the arm extended out, and it was actually an arm bar. I didn't get him in that triangle. I got him in the arm bar, and from him extending from that elbow. So right there, I was like, okay.
Yes.
But just from training with the right coaches, got me there.
And talk about what's next for you, man. We've got the HFC Featherweight title. Is that on your mind? You get that strap back?
We'll see what's next, man. There's a bunch of we're getting a bunch of calls everywhere right now. See what's up right now. I want to take my time and spend time with my son, my family. I've been out in camps so much. So right now, I want to come back and see what's up with my family.
Okay. Well, welcome you for the holidays back in Illinois area, Chicago, Cisco area, of course. And then talk about, you trained with DJ Dillishaw for some time, right? So talk about that fight with Henry Cejudo. How do you think that's going to play out, man?
It's going to be fun. I hope to be invited to the camp, go out there and help them out. I got a little bit of wrestling, a little bit of Greco in my style, so I'll most likely be out there helping them out. So I think Dillishaw is going to do what Dillishaw always does. He performs very well, and he's always. That's what he's taught me over the years training with him, was that it's always about being tunnel vision.
For sure. And what are the plans, man, for after the fight? Are you going to party tonight? Or
yeah, we'll see, man. I don't really party after my fights. I kind of make it like a holy thing after, because to me it's like it's already to rest. Then we party later.
Yeah, definitely. Well, hey, congratulations, Chepe, Machine Gun Mariscal, and big win, Elevation Fight Team Zone and Cisco Zone. And then what would you like to thank?
I'd like to thank all my coaches at Elevation Fight Team, Josh Josh Wick, Tony Rodriguez, my brother Nicholas Mariscal, and yeah, and everybody else, all my fans, my friends.
Excellent. Thank you, bro.
For sure, thank you.